Just as Pablo Picasso had to learn the basics of painting, like how to hold the brush, the color wheel, the different painting tools, etc., there are also basic knowledge that we need to learn before investing in the stock market. For example, how to open an account, how to place orders, how to use the tools available to investors, and how to use historical data to guide our financial decisions. These are fundamentals that I can teach. However, after learning the fundamentals, just as Picasso had his own unique style based on his knowledge and skills, each investor will end up with different investing strategies. Each of us has a unique background. Even siblings that grew up in the same household will have different experiences and perspectives. And this will play a role in the amount of work we're willing to put in, the subjects that we're interested in, the things that we are good at, the risks that we are willing to take, which will all play a role in developing our own processes. One of the biggest difference in investing strategies is that some processes rely on price trends or price momentum, which is referred to as technical analysis. Other processes rely on analyzing individual companies' traits or distinctive qualities, which is referred to as fundamental analysis. My personality is best suited for fundamental analysis, so my process is fundamentally driven, but I also use technical analysis, just not as heavily. Two investors can look at the same stock, and one will find it at great value and the other one will find it expensive. Also, the number of stocks that investors hold varies. Some will say 5 is too little and 20 is too much. Investors also have different criteria for finding stocks. That's because investing is like art. Each painter can start with the same tools, empty canvas, the same subject, and come out with a unique masterpieces. What they have in common though is none will be an artist without doing the work and learning the basics. Let me help you save time and learn the basics of investing. Then you can Picasso your own portfolio. To get started, go to www.optionwits.com and sign up for the online course.